Now you're getting a little bit too close. Yeah, you're getting a little too close for me. You need to back up. You need to back up. What are you doing? Hey. You're getting a little too close for me, mister. What are you doing? I got nothing for you today. I got nothing for you today. I don't know what you're thinking. Coming up out of the water like that. I'm going to get on the other side of my chair here. And just so everybody can see, I was sitting right here, and Cecil comes climbing up that wall. Now I got the chair in between us. What are you doing? You need to get back down in there.